I didn't get it. Do it again. Say. Okay, so while you're doing that, can I clean this one? Ayan guys. Paano ba to? I'm just gonna do this one. While Jilana is doing that, be careful. I'm going to fix your stuff, and then after that, I clean this one. We can go inside. Ayan. Daming laruan guys. Every day, laro siya. Lalo na ngayon, vacation ng mga bata. So, it's vacation time. Are you jumping? Don't jump, okay? Be careful. Oh, Jilana. Ayan, naka-ano tayo ngayon? Naka 1,000 na dikit. Sana all, 1,000 sa isang live. No? Did you hurt yourself? Let me see. Don't hurt yourself. It's itchy. Go get the wipe and wipe your hand. Ayan guys. So we're trying to clean this up so Jilana can play again. Where are you? Okay. Don't do that one. It's just... Well, let's clean this one first. Help me clean this up. Okay, we're not gonna open your gift. You wanna do your drawing while I'm cleaning this one? Okay, do your drawing. Huh? Do you wanna use your color then? Just use your color. Okay. Okay, okay. Oo. Thank you sa ating 800 subscriber today's live. Salamat guys. Please don't forget to watch the video of Jilana sa ating mga bagong subscriber. Char. See? Ayan. We got so much going on. In the stream, that's the one. But we got 700 subscribers today. Thanks, Isabel. Don't forget to share to your friends. Bieber